Good morning, class 4. Today we will start a new chapter with a new 6.4. Now what is written in 6.4? We have to write all the factors of the following numbers. Now what a factor is? Factor is the number when it divides another number exactly without leaving any remainder than the divisor and the quotient obtained are the factors of that number. For instance, if I divide 15 with 3, I will get 5. So 3 and 5 both are factors of 15. Now let's start the sums. Your first sum is 25. B is 28. So let's see what are the factors of 25. 25 is a multiple of 5, so the factors will be 1, because if I divide 25, as I told, whatever we divide, when I divide a number with another number, that means 5, the quotient is so 5 and 1 have to be its number, and 25 itself is the number, because if I divide it with 25, I will get 1. So 1, 25 and 5 are the factors of 25. Next is 28. So here I can say it in an easier way. If I look at the multiples of 28, it will be easier. 28 is a multiple of 2, so I have written 2. 1, so I have written 1. Okay, 1 28s are 28. So 28 and 1 both are its factor. Next 2. If I divide 2 with 28 with 2, I will get 14. So 14 and 2 both is factor. Next is 7 4s are 28. So 7 and 4. 4 and 7 both are its factors. So it's easy. 1 I am getting, so 28. 2 I am giving, then it's 14. And 7 4s are 28. We already know the table. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 is the factors of 28. Next is 30. I have done C, 30. Again 1, 30. 15 2s are 30. So 2 here and 15. 3 10s are 3 and 10. 3 10s are, then 6 5s are 30, and 30 itself is the factor of 30. Next, 48. Here 48, it's divisible by 2, multiple of 2. So 1 and 2. When I am dividing with 2, I get 24. So 24 is also a factor. Easy. If I count 8 and 4, I get 12. That means this is divisible by 3 also. So 3 I have written. And how much of 3 is 48? 3 16s are. So 16 is also its factor. Next is 4. 4 12s are. If I divide it with 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 12. So 4 and 12 both is its factor. And as we know, 6 8s are 48. So 6 and 8 both is its factor. If you know the multiples, you will get it easier to write. So when you are writing 1, you keep it in your mind. At the end you write 48, so that you remember. When you are writing 2, write 24, because you know 2 is multiplied by 24, you get 28. So you got 4. Now when I am dividing with 3, I will write, what I will write? 16. So 16, 1 2 3, 48, 24, 16 I got. Next, if I divide with 4, I will get 12. So here, and 6 and 8 we know, as it is the multiple. So it is 66 into 8, 48. So these are the factors of 48. Next, 23. F 23, because it is not a common thing. 23, it don't have any multiples. 1 and 23 itself. So the answer will be 1 and 23 only. Next, I will J, because this is bigger one, 120. Now 120, 120, Got it? 2 60s, 3 40s, 4 30s, 5 24s, 6 20s, 8 15s, 10 12s. So these are the factors of 120. I think I could have, if you do it in this way, it will be easier for you. See, 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30, 5 into 24, 6 into 20, 8 into 15, 10 into 12. So these are the factors of 120. I wish this is going to help you out. Now let's do the next sum. I have taken one more big sum for you, that is 150. Now 151, 1 into 150, got it? 2 75s are 150, 3 50s are 150, 5 30s are 150, 6 25s are 150, 10 15s are 150. Done. Next one more I have done, that is 30. Okay, L 300. Here for your convenience, 1. Let's do it. 1. 300. 2. 150. 3. 100. 4. 75. 5. 60. 10. 30. 30. 12, 25, 15, 15, 20. Okay, I missed out 6. 6 it will give 50. So these are the factors of 300.